Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
I would like to play a game with you.
Game.
The name of the game is Catch Me If You Can.
Okay. Hope is money involved. I can't do anything for free.
If you're able to catch me, I'll give you a reward of 500 naira.
I'll give it a try.
But the rule of the game is if you don't catch me, then there's no reward.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
So, catch me. Try to catch me. You have not tried.
I must collect this 500 naira. Bring.
Are you interested? Yeah, the game is Catch Me If You Can. So, what I'm going to give you is 500 naira. So, if you catch it. But the rule is you have to try just only one time. Okay? Ready? Okay. Catch me if you can. You mixed it already.
Yes, sir.
You want to try again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Try again.
Okay. That's all. Yeah. You can